Hey everyone, so we're just going to take a little bit of a walk through. This is the second floor, and my shop is right here on the left, so let's go ahead and go in. So here we are. The building where I am is an old mill factory that they turned into offices and different businesses. So let me start from the beginning. Walk in the front door. When you walk in the door over here, you have this like little corner here. This is where I put my bag, unless I'm walking straight to the the computer. This calendar here is what I use for my content calendar. So every month I come out with different ideas and different sales and tips and motivational things. So like, for example, if you go to my Instagram page, you're going to go to the bio, you'll see the new August calendar, especially because today is August 1st. So this little spot here is just, I put my stuff here. All of the shelves on the right side and the left side, which is over here, is where I store all of, obviously, my items. If you keep going a little bit over here, this shelf here I bought from Target, and basically I put all of my cash envelopes in here. So the bottom ones are blank. The ones on the bottom left are blank top tab. I have back to school, I have the holiday bundle, I have travel, home sinking funds, and regular ones. So all of those go there. These are all of the Adelina binders. These are all of the budget planners, and so on. And then you have all of, if you go on this side, again, the top, you'll see the A5 Adelina binders, and then the classic collection, which is pink, which is pink, which is the pocket size. And then we also have like the A6 size, then we have the wallets, and then we have bags. So let's just walk through. I have these two tables. These two tables are, they're the desk, the flexi desk. So it actually goes up and down, which is pretty neat when you need to sit down and actually work at the table. And that's what this table is used for here, this desk. So if I have family coming over to help me, then they'll sit here and assemble stuff. So it just raises it up or raises it down. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's for the middle, that's for this this desk here, where I package all of my orders. Basically where I stand all day and I package all of the orders. Here is where I keep all of my stickers. So here, let me show you. We'll go through a little bit more of what is here. Yeah, all of my stickers are here, which I truly love. We have all kinds. Let me see, what's this one? This one is the self-care stickers, and we have just a ton, just several. These were all created by me, like this, like how I wanted them for my customers. Okay, and then they get sent to be made. Okay, if you look, so this here, this area is basically where I package all of the orders. And so you see the packing slip over to the left, and I just, I work in the order received. I grab the packing slip and I stand there and package and check off as I go. These are all of the supplies that I need to package the orders. That's washi tape there. These are the canvas bags that I use. This actually needs to be put right there. I should have done that before doing the video. But I mean, realistically, when you own a business, things are not perfect. It's not all pretty. It's not like, you're working, and this is your place of, you're working, you're busy. If you're truly busy, then your place is not going to be spotless. That's just how it is. So you can see I have a trash bag over there, and that's trash that needs to actually go out. I will take you back there, but what I plan to do right now is stock the shelves. So I brought some stuff, I put it in the car, I went downstairs and got it. So all that stuff needs to go here. These are the 8x10 budget planners. And then down here is where I keep all of the caddies. However, I need a new spot for all of my caddies. So I'm probably going to have to put them in the back or get another unit and put it in the back room over there. So yeah, we'll see. So these are all of the bags. These say like budget bag and there's a few different bags. So I'll turn around, and then over here is where these are just all of the items that are in the shop. So we have like the saving challenges, you have the saving challenge boxes, dry erasers, different size little binders. We have notepads, things like that. So yeah. So this is, here, let me just push back a little bit. This other back room here, I love it actually. I love the windows. I had to put these windows, I had to put the curtains up because it was really blazing and it gets really hot. So you can see I have 2 desks here. The back desk is for me to print stuff, and I don't really need 2 desks, you know, but at the time I thought it was a good idea just in case if I have someone coming to help me. This desk here is where I basically do my content. So I do a lot of my videos here. I will create videos and create reels. You know, my cash stuffing videos are done here. And I do my lives here. So this area is where I take pictures and things like that. These are some of the new items that have been added to the shop, which is the sticky note holder on the right. And then we also have the 52-week box, which is being made out of the acrylic. So it's not just plastic, it's like a really nice acrylic, and I think that you guys will really like it. If you go this way, this is where, like, this is my coffee bar, but honestly I haven't been drinking coffee as much as I did when I first started. And then behind me is just more storage, and that's where all the boxes go. So it's nothing fancy and pretty. I do need to kind of reorganize this area. Like I said, maybe the caddies can go there. But yeah, and then you can see that's the portable AC in the back. But yeah, so I print out my labels over there in the back. I'll print out the labels. I print out the packing slip, which is over to the printer to the right. And I guess I could just probably use 1 desk, but you just never know. So I think right now it does look nice with the 2 desks, don't you think? There's a coat rack over here. These are the quarterly plans, and so the calendar on the right is a yearly, and you can see how I put some transparent like tabs. The one on the left is the quarterly, so that's so we're not yet at the last quarter because we're in August. Next quarter will be September, October, and November. So I will erase that, clean it all up, and that's what I was in the process of doing. We have all of the supplies and stuff over here. And you know, when I first started my business, I was making planner pouches out of my house, and then as I slowly started creating and was able to just move on to, you know, really doing 100%, I quit my day job, and I worked out of the house for over, I think it was about 8 months. So within a time of 8 months, I was working in the kitchen. I had all of my stuff in the basement, and can you imagine having all of the stuff in the basement? It just got really overwhelmed. I started not to be, like, I wasn't happy anymore. I felt overwhelmed. I felt, you know, I felt like I wasn't leaving the house. I wasn't really doing anything. I was just staying in the house and working, and it was just not healthy. I didn't like it at all. So I ended up finding this place here, which is definitely very affordable. So I was really grateful. I do have an AC. I have another fan here just to blow the air, because it does get like really hot. So, but if I turn the overhead light on, it's gonna have that like orange glare, but it is really pretty in here. It's nice. Everything is set up nicely. And we now offer people to come to the shop and be able to pick up their order, which is amazing. That was a mouthful. Oh my goodness. I'm actually holding the phone while I'm doing this, but let me go ahead and stock some of the shelves, and I'll be right back. over here. I'll bring more tomorrow on here. I have more black, but I don't have room, so I'll probably just take them out of the car and then just put the boxes in the back somewhere. But yeah, all right, so I think we're good. Yeah, so this is my place, this is my business, this is where I am pretty much every day. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. This here, if you see this, oh, that's dirty. This is my A5 cover, and they're right behind the Adelina binders. We have the taupe color, black, and pink. And basically, I just put my notebook in here, which is also in the shop. They're right there. And then this is the Mark Edit, which is a daily planner. And I'm going to order more for you guys when 2025 becomes available. So, but for now, that's what I use. Okay guys, if you have any other questions for me, obviously please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to say hello below, say hi, say where you're from, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.